Welcome to FastAccounts.io. How to run and finish assembly jobs in Fast Accounts. In this video, we will cover how to start assembly jobs, completing assembly jobs once they're finished. Start by logging in and navigating to the Jobs tab under the Assembly section. Here, you'll see a list of existing jobs. To create a new job, click the Add New button in the top right corner. Select the template you previously created in the Templates section. If you don't have a template, you can simply mention the details to start a new job. The template details will be automatically loaded. You can make changes if necessary, such as adjusting finished product quantity. Product quantity changes will automatically adjust the required raw material quantities. Specify the start date of the job. If the location module is enabled, select the location where the finished products will be finalized and stored. Also mention the batch number and expiry date of the finished product if your batch and expiry module is enabled. Make any necessary changes to raw material quantities and again mention the batch no if batch and expiry module is enabled. Then you can also change the non-stock products and their quantity, and you can also change the expenses and their details accordingly. Once all details are entered, click Save and Close. When the job is completed, click the Finish button in the Action column to finish the job. Now again, press Save and Close to finish the job. If any raw materials are unavailable in stock, the system will prevent you from finishing the job and display a shortfall material note. When a shortfall material note arises, ensure that you first purchase the raw material or make it available at the specific location. In the Action column drop-down menu, you can perform various actions. Copy, to duplicate the job products for a new job. Material Pass, to print the bill of material. Job Cost Sheet, to obtain the job cost sheet. FG Note, to print the finished goods note. Delete, to delete the job. Roll Back, to roll back the job to the in-progress stage. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video was helpful.